This tutorial is going to go over how to modify your quizzes with differentiated conditions with D2L Brightspace. Once you're in the home page, you're going to go up to Assessments and then select Quizzes and Exams. Once you're here, you're going to go on ahead and select the quiz that you want to change your assignment times. So I'm going to do week 2 quiz. As you see, there's a few folders at the top. We have properties, restrictions, assessment, objectives, submission views, and report setup. I'm going to go to restrictions. Now once I'm here, I can scroll on down to the bottom. And here we have our special access. This lets the user have special accesses during the quiz. So we're going to do add, and you can change the due date if you need to. Maybe the student may need extra time to study or prepare. And also you might have someone that has extended time. So once you can have it where it's no changes or a recommended time limit. So you can change from the original setting. I add 60 minutes. I can make it for 120 minutes or however the accommodation applies to this student. Next, you can scroll down and select which student or students would this be applicable to. So you can either search in the search bar above, or you can scroll down to your list of students and click on the one that you would like to apply this special access. I'm going to select the demo student, and then I will just click to add special access. So once you have that done, you can just save and close.